You know, sometimes guys, you just have to leave an RC alone for a good while to really appreciate it again. Today I decided to take the UMG 6x6 out for a little rip. If the footage just came out as good as I hope, I think I've got a really nice video for you guys to watch. So hopefully you enjoy it, and obviously if you do, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and if you're not subscribed, please do that as well, etc. But I just wanted to say about the UMG 6x6, it's one of the sort of under the radar crawlers. A few guys have got them, but it's not really, it never kicked off like the TRX6 or anything like that when Axial brought this out. I think it was in design originally before the TRX6, and obviously it's based off just a normal 4-wheel drive UMG, and they've just extended the chassis a little touch on it. But the car's absolutely fantastic. Mine needed a bit of TLC before I took it out there, so it's had all new bearings all round it, all oil and grease in the shafts and things like that. That's the rain coming on now, this is a pretty good time to be stopping. But yeah, it's going great. So the only thing that I've changed on it is I've put a 25 kilogram servo in it. So if I'll show you just now, you can see it's got nice steering power, and I changed the motor, not for any reason other than the other one was just getting a bit rough and not sounding too good. As the stock Axial motor, it was kind of getting to the last legs, but I've done a lot of mud and I've had this car since release day, so I don't know how long that is, 1.5 to 2 years. So the motor's done absolutely fantastic, but now I'm running an RC 4-wheel drive 35 turn motor in it, and all this run's been on 2S as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you're looking for a nice crawler, don't look past the UMG 6x6, it's really scale looking, there is a lot you can do to it. Mine's fairly stock, but it's just an amazing rig. The things it can climb, I've tried to show in the video, sort of some of the insane climbs it can do. I've got a lot of onboard, some wading and things as well through water. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. I'm going to cut this talk short because the rain's coming on. Get home, get something to eat, upload this video. So hope all you guys are doing well, everybody that's watching, and I'll see you again soon. Paul out, enjoy the video.